Okay.
Jesus! She always is doing that. She's gone.
Hello!
Hello, what is up guys? Hope you have an amazing time. We are back on the road in Switzerland with our amazing... Wait a second, there's another car. Our amazing red Wrangler we got from the guys from Jeep. Thank you Jeep for that. We're on a little trip up to Maloja. Actually, we're crossing now the... What was the name of the pass street we're going now?
Julier
Pass Street. So we're going across the mountains. From up there we will go straight to Maloja. Wait, another truck. Yeah, and that's what we're doing. We're making a little road trip this weekend. Just some words to road tripping in Switzerland. Normally you can go on every road for free, so you don't have to pay. Just when you go on the motorway or on the highway you have to pay 40 bucks, so 40 Swiss francs to get a vignette. When you're going for a rental car, I think should be included, or if not you should ask for, because there's no vignette for just 1 or 2 days. You just can buy it for 1 year for 40 bucks. What you should keep in mind is we actually have May 2018, and as you can see here in the back, it's sunny. We have around about 20 degrees, but when you're going on a road trip here in Switzerland, and especially when you go on a pass street or go up the mountains into the Alps, keep in your mind in April and May it's good possible that they have snow there and that the pass streets are closed. So it could happen you drive there and then there is just a block and you're not able to drive through that block. So check out, there's a very good website, we will link it down in the video, where you can check if the Alp Street or Alp Pass is open. And yeah, we are back heading now on the road. Another hour to go if we arrive in Maloja. See you on the road, on the track, wherever we turn back on the camera. See you! Well guys, and we reached the very top of the Maloja Pass, and we thought it would be the only red thing with our car, but we found that epic tower, dome, whatever you call it.
In Switzerland you say Babylonische Theaterturm.
So, the Babylonic Theater Tower, dome, or something like that. Really epic. We will take out the drone and take some shots of this guy from the air and enjoy up here, because as you can see it's pretty dope everywhere you look around here. So, if you come to Switzerland, I can highly recommend to come here to the Maloja Pass and go through, just as I told you before, check if it's open, but when it's open, it's pretty dope and epic. So, we're gonna explore this one, take some more pictures and then head back to the road. And guys, we arrived at the Maloja Pass street, mountain, whatever. Damn it, that's tight. Yeah, we were already at the peak because we came from the other side, and now we're driving down just to get a feeling for it, to see it. And the weather is pouring down, but the road is just crazy. As you can see, we have to make one turn after a turn. I hope we can get up the drone later so that we can show you how the road really looks. If we can't get up the drone, here comes a Google picture, and if we have a drone shot, here comes the drone shot. And yeah, we will go down and then go back up, and then we will see what we do with that shitty rainy weather, but it's really epic and really amazing here. So guys, we drove the pass street down to look what's down there and came back now up here to Maloja, and now it's time for some food because we didn't had any breakfast or any lunch or something like that, and now it's 3 p.m. I think, 4 p.m. So we will head down here to eat some, I hope, amazing pizza, fill up our stomach, and then we hope the rain will stop and we can go for a little hunt for some good pictures. Good? Good. So let's go out to the rain. So guys, this proves when you fully eat your meal. Is it just a Swiss thing or is it from everywhere?
I don't know. But in Switzerland and Germany, you say if you ate the whole plate,
Yeah.
the weather
Becomes good.
Yeah.
And then what happens now? We eat our amazing pizza and now the sun is coming out and we can get back in the car and have another ride and go to take some pictures. So jump in this body here. Ooh. And then we will see where we will end. So let's go inside. It's funny because always when I open the door, Claudia can't get inside. So I have to push there and then she gets inside. Sorry.
Okay.
So guys, we stopped here in the middle of nowhere to... She always is doing that. We're walking and then she's gone. Now the old man has to grumble around here. Ah, look, this is the place. So this is where we will make our key picture tomorrow morning. Just don't take another step further there, because
I'm going again.
So you guys can see that. And this is where we're walking. And this is the shot we are going to do tomorrow. So we decided to take the picture now. That means we walk back to the car, take all the gear, bring it back there, I walk back and then I drive down the street and up the street so that Claudia can make the picture. The hustle life for one Instagram pic. Well, that's the game and that's what we love to do. Get out the car. Is it high?
No.
Wait, ich mach's Fenster runter.
Okay.
Jesus!
Okay.
Camera's running.
Okay. Look what he did.
Hello.
Thanks.
Good parking skills?
Huh?
Good parking skills?
Yeah, perfect.
The perfect parking skills. Guys, I love this car. I will sell mine and will buy this one. So much more fun. So come, let's go.
So guys, we don't know how deep the water there is. So Bastian has to have a look and check it. Ah yeah, he said it's okay. So we can cruise through the water. Yay! Run, run, run!
So, that was our first day, first of two. And tomorrow we will be around with the car again. I hope the weather will be a little bit more nice, more sun. And yeah, that's it for today. We just checked out, we fell in love with this little car here. You could go to so many spots with that car, what you would never go with a normal car, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's so much fun. And I think tomorrow will be more fun because I got more confident with the car because it's very wide and very big and I'm not used to drive with such a big car, but it's getting better and better. For today, that's it. We will head down to our little hotel. We just booked the cheapest one we could find. And we will go there, sleep, and tomorrow morning around 5 or 6 a.m. we will leave the house and hope that we get some amazing golden hour shots. And yeah, so that's it for today. We see you guys tomorrow. Have a nice evening or whatever you have where you watch the video now, and bye bye.